Alright, so I got some new forks. Dropped them off this morning out of the back of my truck. So I gotta set it up later. Some heavy duty ones, they'll lift 5,200 pounds max. So that's perfect. That's kind of what my track loader will lift. So that's gonna work out good. Got it for $1,000. That's a pretty good deal here in Hawaii. Shipping's quite a bit, so brand new. Sat in the back of my truck for a few days. A little bit of rust from just getting rained on. I'm gonna probably spray those areas with some high heat Rust-Oleum. Fix that right up. Nice day today. Judah's up there cutting up a tree, so probably get some footage of that. I just got some drone footage a little while ago. Well, I'm gonna get to working on my excavator, so let's get to it. Let's go check out what Judah's doing. With the tree? Oh wow, that was quick.
Okay.
Alright.
It's a little strategic, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Alright.
Well. Yeah, we can move those. Yeah, let me go grab my track loader and then we'll put the forks on and then go move some logs.
Okay.
Alright. I'll go turn around. Alright, so I guess he's done. Missed that action. That's alright. I'll show you guys. So you just cut up this tree here. Got a few nice logs out of it. A little pile there. So looks good to go. That's nice. I can work in that area now. Those will make some nice little heel logs. Gonna skin those, sand them up, dry them out. Good to go. Might do a table with that. I gotta look at it a little closer. The bottom's pretty flat, so we'll see. Some track loader time. All right, let's get this baby warmed up and get some forks set on her. So we're putting the forks on, we're greasing this up. It's all jammed up. Needs some lubricant, so trying to work it. We got this one pretty good. This one's jammed, so we greased it up in there. Just gets gravel and all kinds of stuff in it. Haven't greased it in a while. It was super dry, so just gonna grease that up and then get these forks on. Try to run it like that.
Oh, shit.
All right.
Oh, it just got real. Here, watch out, watch out.
There might be gravel jammed all in that.
Yeah, I saw rust frozen.
Yeah, it's rust, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see on the bottom when it's coming down.
Yeah.
When you go all the way down, it's pretty dry still. So maybe when you go,
I get it.
you lock it all the way down. Yeah, try to go down, and it comes out a little more. Yeah, there you go. Maybe spray that.
I gotta get the wire brush in grinder. Clean it.
Yeah.
Keep it lubed up.
Yeah, it's a bitch to move that. It's a lot better now though.
Should be easy.
Yeah, should be easy.
Hey.
Yeah, not sure what. It was always a bitch when I first got it, so something's up. Yeah, you can see gravel pieces coming out.
Oh, fuck the gravel.
Get this kind of set up here. Oh, this thing's heavy. Not sure if we should get some D-rings and try to...
Well, you're telling me that.
Well, you don't got your welder, but...
Well, you can use it right now.
Yeah.
Try that one. I think the other way. Up and then down.
Yeah.
I mean, really, all you have to do is put this on first.
Yeah. I guess hold that up and then I'll lock that. So is it good now?
Yeah, we're fairly good.
Fairly good?
It didn't work, but she go.
All right. Then the one below it. Yeah. Oh, there you go. That side. Is the bottom on?
Yeah.
That side's being a bitch. So we're having an issue with that one locking mechanism there. It's kind of a pain. There we go. All right. We got it. Let's see. Okay, I can get out. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to get out easy or not.
Right.
So that's good. That'll work. Usually they have side steps. I might have to make one on here, but some of them don't have it, but this one doesn't. So they lock into those notches though. Not sure how.
Oh, no wonder he gave it to you. Oh, it's no fit.
What?
That's right here.
Oh, in the middle.
Oh, yeah. Turn it off. Turn it
off. Everyone's laughing. Yeah. There we go. And then just slide it over. You got to pull the top, or you get the bottom, and then pull that top, and then it'll slide.
Sorry, yeah.
Oh, okay. So it should go then.
Just catching it.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, hey. Oh,
So, well, we could, what do you think? We just scoop them up? Scoop the logs up and then roll it on it, or just run it wide?
Maybe.
I mean, we can maybe put some, like, I got some old carpet, wrap it with that just to protect the logs from getting gouged. But it's gonna gouge it.
It's pretty smooth, I mean.
Yeah.
If you like, we can.
I mean, yeah, I mean, it'll help. I don't want to sand any more than I need to.
Oh, hey, log. Can we give it? Let the baby sand us?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that. Fuck it. Come on. Like that.
Yeah, I think you can just turn it and then it'll hold
Like
it.
that. Now.
There we go. All right. Nice. Alright, so we got some Portuguese redneck fork protectors on here right now. Actually, just to protect the logs that we're gonna grab. I don't want to gouge them. I don't have to sand them some more. Alright, trying to head mount here, see how it goes. Try to get some footage today. Alright. Not a whole lot of room in here, but let's see. So Drew just grabbing the side by side. We're gonna use that to pull some logs out. The long yellow ones, I wonder where they're at. Not in there, huh? Well, I got one here. I mean, we could probably use. So we'll see. Alright, I'm just gonna go down. So we gotta go look through these piles and pick out 6 10-footers. Not sure if you can hear me right now, but it's kind of a sound test too for these. So I'm kind of go on the side a little bit here. Just park right here for now. Gotta go pick out the logs from these piles they got. Try to get some footage here for you guys. Ugh. Dang, the weeds are growing over. Yeah, I'd say it's probably gonna be in these other piles. These are huge. but we'll check it out. Try to get some footage here.
Oh, jeez. No wonder your computer's showing up.
Yeah, I got so much footage, man. Saw the drone this morning, huh? You're like, what the hell was that?
Well, at first I thought, I was like, oh shit, I just tapped into a beehive or some shit.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, oh fuck, I was looking off, I was like, oh. Yeah,
That's funny.
Dude, I was seriously tripping. I was like, oh,
yeah, it
shit.
does sound like a beehive, man.
I put your plugs in and had that.
Yeah.
Like, oh shit.
Oh, man, that's funny.
Time for me to start hitting the hill. Hey, it happens fast, man.
Yeah.
Fast.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so probably one of these piles on this side. Stop this.